Today I'll be sharing how I styled these beautiful little vessels. I found these vessels on clearance at Kmart. They were originally pink and had a gloss finish. I decided to spray paint them using a matte white chalk paint, and I'm really happy with the finish. I'll be showing you 4 different ways I styled my bookcase using these beautiful little vessels. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I would love to know which style was your favorite in the comments section down below. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe if you would like to see more. Hope you have a beautiful and creative week. Bye for now.